Oh, I love that.
Sounds good.
Oh, look at that.
In case we
Oh, that is so cute.
delay,
Don't get to wear them.
she magically outgrows them. She's been known to do that. Do you see? Oh yeah, you like that, huh? You like that?
She especially likes the
She
hanger.
probably likes hair. Yeah, she is.
What
size are those?
Issues.
Oh, they're beautiful.
What size?
24 months.
Here.
Perfect.
I love the dotted
Oh,
one.
and
She
I
looks
like
cute
this
in
too.
that.
The little.
Yeah.
I like the little ruffles on the teal one.
Can you? Yeah. Say thank you.
Yay!
Okay, let's see
Put these together.
She's so cute.
Now you gotta open my card.
Okay.
It's right there.
You want that? Okay.
Bye bye.
Well, that was fun, guys.
Brown bear, brown bear.
Evelyn.
Do you want to put that card with this?
Oh, sure, yeah.
Evelyn,
come
go
here.
back by mommy.
Evelyn, can you come here, honey? Look what I've got. I've got the book. I've got this book. Let's see if we can not rip it. Okay, thank you. Evelyn, come here.
Evelyn, go get mommy.
Come get me. Ah, yeah. Can you open this card? Can you open this card with me?
Yes. We don't have any of us being adults. In
You're growing and changing in every way, and it's the Hungry Caterpillar. Somebody is a
There
Eric
you
Carl
go.
fangirl, and hope your first birthday is a magical day. 1 John 4:16, God is love. Look, there's a caterpillar. Dear Evelyn, happy birthday to my sweet little baby granddaughter. With love always, Grammy. Yeah, look at that.
Isn't that funny? And I didn't know you were having the Hungry Caterpillar team.
You didn't know that? And you
Oh,
that was funny.
that is funny.
All right, Evelyn, you ready to open another present? Yeah. Let's open this one up, okay?
That's for me.
Yeah. And that one too, right? Yeah. We'll open these two from you. Woo!
Very
Yeah.
Look at her face.
Yeah, no, she's like, oh, I want to play now.
What? Are you kidding me?
Evelyn, show me. Show me what you got,
I'm
Evelyn.
having fun already, she said.
Whoa!
Can you say yay? Thank you. Thank you. I like it. Here, you can. Okay. That. Push that button.